Here is a quick overview of the Pyle PU-CRC15 Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The unit comes with the following: an AC adapter, side brushes, a user manual, and your robot vacuum cleaner. To get started on your machine, on the top panel you will notice 3 lights, and you have 3 sensor buttons. That is 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and max. These are the run times that you let the robot clean for. Max is roughly 120 minutes. That's how long it will last. On the side, you have a red button right here. This is to turn it on with a single press. If you press and hold, it'll turn it off. You also have your DC charging jack. This is how you charge the device. And you have your indicator lights up here. You also have a handle up here for easy carrying. Underneath, push this button right here and you pull up, and you have your dust trap, so you can clean it out over your garbage can. Your wheels right here. This is where you're going to place your side brushes. These are to help push up the dirt when it's going. You also have a battery compartment. Remove this so you can see. Right here, if you ever need to change the battery, it's 2 screws. You just pull the battery out and have a little latch. You could also hit this button up here, pull this up, and pull out, and you can take out the brush to clean it. And along the front and sides, you'll see the sensors, which is how it knows not to run into stuff. To get started, let's press the button, and you'll hear a chime letting you know it's on. Now at this point, if I wanted to get started, I would hit one of the 3 buttons on the top. While it's running, if you hit it again, it'll stop the machine. And then to turn it off, you just press and hold this button. Make sure before the first use, you let it charge for 16 hours. Anytime the battery fully dies, let it sit and charge for a full 16 hours. This will help improve the life of the battery. When charging, when you plug in the adapter, if you see the green indicator light flash, and it just does a single flash and then has a sound, that means it's charging. If it keeps flashing and it does the sound, then that means it's fully charged. This vacuum cleaner is really only good for flat ground and thin carpet. It's not suitable for uneven ground or thicker carpets. Please refer to the user manual for any further instructions.